Hi everybody, question number 345, reverse vowels of a string. It's an easy question. Given a string S, reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they can appear in both lower and upper cases more than once. For example, we have ice cream, and this becomes ace cream, basically. So here the A goes here, basically, and then the I is here, and so on. Everything else changes. So the E here goes here, and that's it, basically. The vowels in S are I, E, E, A. On reversing the vowels, S becomes ace cream. Okay. The same with Leetcode. It becomes Leot seed. Okay. So there are two ways that I can solve this. One is with stack. Let's go with the stack version first. So stack equal to an empty list. And let's have a set of the vowels. Let's define the set of the vowels equal to A, E, I, O, and U. Also, let's do the caps lock, the uppercase, A, E, I, O. I think this is O, right? O, and U. So those are like, I think 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 letters that are considered vowels. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to loop over the string and find all the vowels and put it in the stack. So we want to say for char in S, if char in vowels, then stack dot append that char. And let's print the stack here. So we have I, E, E, A. It's exactly this here. So we have that stack. The next thing we want to do, let's comment out this. The next thing we want to do is we want to loop through the string again, define another string, result string equals to nothing, and we want to loop through our S string for I in range len of S if S of I in vowels, not in vowels, then result plus equal to S of I. Else, if it is in vowels, result plus equal to stack.pop. So we pop the first one in the stack, so it's like this one goes out. So it's the reverse order that was in. So we put I in, E in, E in, and then A in, right? So when we're popping, we pop the A first, then the E, then E, then the I. So it's gonna append it in the reverse order, basically. And then return result. Let's see if this works. This works, and then yeah, so it passed through, and this was the answer to reverse vowels of a string. So we can stop here, but I want to show you another way, and that's with 2 pointers. So let's go to the next way. Let's comment out this whole thing. And let's use the vowels still. We need this set. Okay. So how do we do it with 2 pointers? So we first say we have a left pointer equal to 0, and we have a right pointer equal to len of s minus 1. And then we say while left is less than right, if s of left not in vowels left plus equal to 1. So we don't care if the s of left not in vowels. So we just basically left plus 1. Elif s of left, s of right, not in vowels, right plus equal to 1. Sorry, right minus equal to 1. Minus equal to 1. So you're basically going from here, ice cream. So I is not inside the vowel, so you plus it, you go to C. And then it's M, it's not in the vowels, you go to A. And then if else, so that means if it's inside the vowels, then S of right, S of left, S of right. So we're swapping here. In one line, in Python, you can swap. S of right, S of left. So that's swapping. And after swapping, you basically say left plus equal to 1, right minus equal to 1. And so that works. The other thing is here that before doing all this, we want to define the S as a list. So we want to convert S to a list, S equal to a list, and then do all this. And then at the end, we want to convert it back to a string. So basically saying return dot join S here. So that will work. So let's see if that works basically. Yeah, that works. And it passes. So that was the second answer to reverse vowels of a string.